Okay, now we look at the assignment of cost centers to profit centers. This is one of the important topic under profit center accounting. Let us see how we can assign a cost center to profit center. As I told you in my profit center accounting concepts, we need to assign the cost center. Both of these are cost centers to the profit centers, so that we can post costs to the profit center, cost incurred by the profit center, so as to create a P&L at the profit center level. We know that we can post revenues to profit centers directly, but how are we going to post the cost? We have to post the cost through cost centers. Okay, so for that we need to assign the cost center to the profit center. Let us do that now. We go to change profit center. Sorry, not here. We'll assign it in the cost center master data. So let us go to cost center master data. Let me see, I need to create a new cost center for bikes and cars. So I need to create a cost center for bikes and cars. Let me do that. Cars first. Let us create a cost center for cars, and press enter. It's asking for validity period. Let's enter 1st of January. Press enter. So we can assign a cost center to this profit center cars. Let's see if it's coming here. Cars, manager, cost center category is sales. It's a sales department. Hierarchy area is the standard Sun hierarchy, and the company code is, you see this, since we have assigned 2 company codes to the controlling area, now we need to select which company code we need to assign to the cost center. Earlier we have assigned only 1 company code to controlling area, so that's why this field was not visible. Let me assign that. And see this profit center, this is the field in which we need to select the cars profit center to assign this cost center to the profit center cars. Okay, let me draw an assignment here so that we can remember. I'm going to assign cost center cars has been assigned to profit center cars, and similarly cost center bikes will be assigned to profit center bikes. Cost center bikes. Bikes has been assigned to profit center bikes. So let me complete this. Enter business area as a required entry. Let's enter 1. Just enter anything you want, doesn't really matter because we are not using business area. Alright, that is done. Let us create a before that, let me show what we have done. I have assigned a cost center cars to profit center cars in the example just now. Let me create a bikes cost center, bikes manager, hierarchy area, same thing, Sun, and company code Sun. Oh, let me check something. So for profit center cars, I need to create one more cost center because the postings may also be coming from company code test 2. Okay, let me do that after that. Cost center bikes, let us finish cost center bikes. Alright, business area, and a profit center, just select bikes, save it. Okay, there's something very important here. We have created a cost center cars for and assign it to profit center cars, right? But the assignment, company code assignment to cost center cars is actually Sun. So how about the costs arriving from company code test 2? So we need to create another cost center and assign it to test 2 and assign it to profit center cars. So let me do this. Okay, let me do this. Cost center cars. Okay, let me rename it. Cost center cost. Okay, cost center cars for Sun, company code. Okay, and I'm going to copy this, create one more cost center, assign it to profit center cars, name it as cost center cars for test 2 for this company code. Alright, we haven't done this yet. We have done this already. Let me just show that to you again. Cars, and go to display, go to display and then press enter. This is company code Sun. Company code Sun is assigned to this cost center, and that has been assigned to profit center cars. So cost center cars belongs to Sun, which has been assigned to profit center cars. Now we need to do this. Let me create cars ops. I need to use a different cost center name. Let me just say call cars 2 and press enter. Cars 2 for test 2. Alright, so that we can understand. Hierarchy area is same, Sun, and the company code is the one where we need to choose test 2, and assign this to be deleted cars. Okay, so I have created cars 2 cost center and assign it to company code test 2. This one, cars 2, let me rename it to cars 2. Test 2. Okay, let me do this. Cars 2 for test 2. Alright, perfect. And I'm going to save this. Business area, just enter anything you want and save. It has been saved. Now can you visualize the assignment cost centers from two different company codes to a single profit center cost, which is making the profit center cost as a bridge between company Sun and test 2. So this profit center cost has become as a bridge between this company code and this company code, so that it can post documents belonging to two different company codes under one object, which is the profit center. This is the advantage of profit center, which a cost center doesn't have. It is a typical advantage of profit center over the cost center, because in a cost center you can't do this. The cost center always gets a document posted from one single company code. You cannot have postings from a different company code. But profit centers can have postings from unlimited number of company codes. This is the main advantage of profit centers. So we have covered this assignment of cost centers to profit center. To summarize, we have assigned cost center bikes to profit center bikes, and profit center cars will have cost center cars and cost center cars 2 assigned to it. Perfect. Now we can post both revenues and cost to this profit center. That's the end of the topic.